Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about our school in AVS. Students, chapter 4 is our schools. Students, in this chapter we will discuss about schools. So let's start the chapter, students. A school is a place where we get to go to study and learn new things. Students, school is at that place where we learn new things and also study. We learn our teacher. We learn all things through our teachers. Students, everything we learn with the help of teachers in our schools. Our teacher also teach us good manners and good habits. Students, we learn good manners and good habits through our teachers. Where in our school. Students, let's know some space in our schools. Let's know more about our schools. Students, in our school we will see assembly grounds. Student, as you see in books, here given pictures that is show the assembly ground. There is an assembly ground in our schools. In the morning we are pray together in the assembly ground. Students, when we go in school, we are pray together in assembly ground. Here, as you see here, after it students, we will see classroom. After prayer we go back in our classroom and sit on the chairs. Students, when our assembly completed, after it we go back in our classroom and sit on the chairs. When the teachers enter the classroom, we say good morning to her. The student, when teacher enters in the classroom, all the students wishes the good morning to their teachers. The teachers also return our wishes. After the students, the teacher also returns wishes. Then say start teaching and writes on the blackboards. After it, students, teacher writes something on the blackboard or whiteboard, as you seen in pictures. Here pictures are given. After assembly ground and classroom, we will see library in a school. There is a library in our school. There are a lot of books of various subjects in the library. Students, in library, different type of books are presented. We go and sit there quietly. Students, in library we go and sit very silently. We choose the books as per our interest and read them. Students, in library we select our interested books and read them. As you seen in this picture. This picture is related to the library. Students, do you know the Library of Congress in United States of America is the largest library in the world? Student, after it we will see school playground. We play in our school playground. It is very large. We play different games with our classmates. Students, in playground we play different type of games with our classmates. After it, students, we will see canteen. What is a canteen? There is a canteen in our school. During recess, we go to canteen to eat snacks. Students in canteen, we eat our interested material. Students in canteen, we eat our favorite material. Students, here we will see all those people who helps in our schools. Students in school, many people work at school. Every person has a special job to do. Students here given some pupils and their special job, and also it matches. Students here given principal. The work of principal is the work of principal maintains discipline of the schools, and teachers. Student, by the help of teachers, we learn new things. Sweeper. Our third person is sweeper. Sweeper keep the school clean. And peon. Student, the work of peon is ringing the bell. After it, students, we will see 5% is librarian. Students, the work of librarian is looks after the library. Gardener. The work of gardener is takes care of the garden. Students, here given some good manners at schools. We should respect and obey our teachers. And next, we should complete our homework on time. Next, we should maintain discipline in our schools. Further, we should not tease any child. We should keep our classroom and school neat and tidy. Students, also it keep in your mind. A school is a place where we go to study and learn new things. We learn all things through our teachers. Next, there is a library in our school. Next, we play in our school playground. Next, we should respect and obey our teachers. Students, we will also look in this video exercise. Here given exercise, choose and click the correct answer. Our first question is, at school we learn all things through our. Students, in school we learn everything by the help of teachers. So option B is correct. And question second, in the morning we all pray together in the where? Assembly ground. So option A is correct. There are lots of books of various subjects in the library. Option B is correct. We play in our schools. Option B is also correct. The head of the school is principal. So students, option B is correct. Students, now we will see fill in the blanks. We learn all things through our teachers. There are lots of books of various subjects in the library. We play different games with our classmates. During recess, we go to canteen to eat snacks. A gardener takes care of the garden. Thank you, students.